Okay, this is just an update on this 2011 Street Glide FLHX. The brake controller, I got the pistons free on it. Installed it, bled it with Daytona Twintec scanner to be able to actuate the pump. Uh, it worked for about 3 days. 2 or 3 days. I didn't even ride the bike. I just bled the brakes and the head pedal and everything worked good. We're going to go ahead and get a new one. Going to order that thing today. There's the module part of it that just bolts on here. I guess their crappy design or whatever. You know, it's not like ABS just came out and other companies don't have this problem, so it's got to be a design thing somewhere along the lines. It's not just changing brake fluid. I know because I got cars that have ABS on it that I ain't never changed the brake fluid in, and that's 10, 15-year-old stuff, or even older, and they still work. They did a recall on this thing, not actually replacing the unit. The recall in 2018 was just they're gonna flush and bleed the system. Some recall, huh? Which, you're supposed to change the fluid on these things according to the scheduled maintenance every 2 years, which I do with dot 3 and dot 4 fluid systems on any bike I have. It gets done every 2 to 3 years, regardless of how many miles you put on there. It should be done. This one's 11 years old now, almost 12 years old. Got 8,200 miles on it, and I can tell you the fluid ain't never been changed in it. You probably didn't even know there was a recall on it. Of course, I don't know if you bought this bike new or not. Might have, might not have. I don't know. Didn't ask them. But I'm going to go ahead and order this thing up today since it's really beautiful weather out here. Just rain just slacked off enough so I could come outside without getting drenched just walking out here. Like I said, I was able to free these things up. Couldn't even turn them before, and they're still hard to turn, but they should move. I guess once I get the new one in here, I'll probably take this thing and take it apart just to see how it works inside. But anyway, we'll get that ordered up and get it properly bled in there. I'll probably do the procedure on the computer there about the bleeding it with the Daytona Twintec 2 ABS scanner. Works good once I figured out how to get my port settings right. Anyway, if you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. And chances are, if this thing's messed up, if your rear brake pedals or front, you go to hit the brakes and there's just levers just hard as could be, it's the pump body's probably locked up. This one was. And it's just these little solenoids here. I guess when it activates, that's what opens or closes the pistons there. All right, well, that's it. Thank you.